Unlock the future of style by harnessing the creative power of Midjourney for your fashion endeavors. Today, we're diving deep into how Midjourney can revolutionize your fashion design process, from initial concept to stunning marketing visuals. Let's start with generating unique garment designs. The key is descriptive prompting. Think about the silhouette, fabric texture, color palette, and even the mood you want to convey. For instance, imagine wanting a flowing silk evening gown. You could prompt for ethereal silk evening gown, pastel floral embroidery, moonlit garden atmosphere, bias cut, delicate lace trim. Midjourney then interprets these elements, producing concepts you might not have conceived on your own. Or perhaps for a more avant-garde piece, try architectural bomber jacket, recycled denim, distressed metallic accents, urban decay aesthetic, oversized collar. This allows you to rapidly iterate on ideas and explore unconventional silhouettes and material combinations. Beyond individual garments, Midjourney excels at visualizing broader fashion concepts. Use it to create mood boards that capture a collection's essence. Prompt with phrases like bioluminescent jungle exploration, vibrant greens and electric blues palette, natural textures, tribal motifs, daring silhouettes. This helps solidify your aesthetic direction and communicate your vision clearly to your team or clients. The why stop at design. Midjourney can also create captivating marketing visuals. Imagine mock-ups of your designs in aspirational settings. Try prompting for minimalist studio portrait, model wearing a tailored linen pantsuit, soft natural light, neutral background. Or for campaign imagery, a prompt like high fashion editorial, futuristic cityscape backdrop, androgynous model, reflective materials, bold geometry. These visuals are perfect for social media, lookbooks, and promotional materials, instantly elevating your brand's presence. Midjourney is a powerful tool for any fashion professional looking to push creative boundaries and innovate. Explore, experiment, and let your imagination take flight.